First code challenge complete. Now in this video, you're going to learn how to use inline tags to bring your paragraphs to life. Now here's a few examples of inline tags. You have the strong, emphasis, and a span tag. Now the reason these are called inline is because you can use them in a line. So let's give an example of that. Let's open a new pen. Let's create a paragraph. This is a cool example. So an inline tag is a tag that can go inside of this paragraph, hence in a line. So let's give cool emphasis. Here you can see that cool has now been given emphasis. Now let's look at what a span is. New example. New example of a span. So what a span does is think of it as a highlighter. So you can highlight the span of something, or a span of text. Think of it that way. And then I can say, I'll give this a class of, I want this to be, bold. So then I go down to CSS, for what we'll do later, and say, class bold has font weight. Let's just make a color. That's easier for you to see, red. There you go. It allows you to manipulate text within a line any way you want. And you can find a list of more inline tags that you can use by clicking on the link in the Downloads tab to the right. So in this video, you learn what inline tags are and how to use them to give your text more life by changing the color, by giving it emphasis, by strong, and a whole list of other tags that you can use. In the next video, you will learn about void tags and how they differ from regular HTML tags.